right? So if I can't see you, maybe they can help out, but this is totally not fair. It's about you getting our attention. If we can't see you, tough shit. And that's how the business world works, right? There's a lot of customers out there. If they can't see you, they can't hear you, you're not doing business with them, right? So we do this for practice. We do this for a reason, and that is we want you to be able to get customers' attention.
You know, if you're in Vietnam and want to know about business, actually, if you're anywhere and want to know about business, you might want to check out Tom Peng. He doesn't fuck around. Yeah, Tom Peng. He's A-okay. Peace.
Rồi, mọi người cho Phương một tràng pháo tay thật lớn để chào mừng bác CEO của chúng ta.
Hello everybody, welcome to Media Step. Thank you, Ms. Feng, for kicking this off. Miss Shi is your accountant. She's going to keep your money. Let's show them the financial report. So you can see A3 is currently winning at $3,200. Woo! All right, followed by Dang Nai. Oh shit, Dang Nai. Da Nang, what's happening with Da Nang? There's no Da Nang today. No control, okay. All right, so Da Nang gotta step up because if you run out of money, you know what happens? Yeah, bankruptcy, okay? Bankruptcy. When a business goes bankrupt, what happens? Right, it's a closed company and what else? They dismiss. Okay, A1, A2.
Rồi A1 và A2 nói là giải thể và biến mất.
Gotta get my attention, alright? This is totally not fair. I have Miss Truk and Miss Feng be my eyes, right? So if I can't see you, maybe they can help out, but this is totally not fair. It's about you getting our attention. If we can't see you, tough shit. And that's how the business world works. Right? There's a lot of customers out there. If they can't see you, they can't hear you, you're not doing business with them, right? So we do this for practice. We do this for a reason, and that is we want you to be able to get customers' attention. That's like the very first thing. If you can't get their attention, you're not doing any business. So how can we get their attention?
We gotta step up, do something.
Go to meet them. Okay, A3, $100.
Yeah, we gotta say like our advantage.
Yeah, you gotta tell them why we're better, right?
Yeah.
Why should do business with us? Okay, A2, $100. There are many ways to get customers' attention, but for sales, it's the phone, it's yellow, it's face-to-face meetings, and sometimes just show up at their door. Hey, Mr. Fook, how are you? My name is. Gotta get their attention, and of course, if you're doing marketing, then you gotta build brand awareness. People need to see your brand. A few years ago, when I come back to Ho Chi Minh City, I land at the airport. I walk out the plane. I go pick up my luggage. I see an ad, Samsung Note 10, the phone. And I walk out the airport, Samsung Note 10, right? I walk out the building, Samsung Note 10, right? I get in the car, I drive down Chung Seng Street. On Chung Seng Street, there's like advertising like on the middle of the road. Samsung Note 10, Samsung Note 10, Samsung Note 10, Samsung Note 10, Samsung Note 10. Right? Why do they do that? Dang Nai. Make them curious. Attention. Remember, right? Make them remember you. A3, A2, A1, Dang Nai, $100. Who else? Hanoi too. Hanoi, $100. See, it's so easy to make money here. You can practically say anything. I will give you money, right? So exactly. That's why they do it, because you see Samsung Note 10 like 50 times. You cannot forget Samsung Note 10. Maybe that's why I use Samsung S24.
Đó là có thể là lý do tại sao bây giờ tôi xài Samsung S24.
Right? But I'm just saying that to tell you, getting attention is very important. Agree, disagree?
Đồng ý không đồng ý à?
Yes, agree for this. Agree, okay. A3, $100.